Good morning guys, once again, this is Coach Ed and today, I just want to make this video to tell you na kahit nasa pandemic tayo ngayon, you can still earn big in this Salveo World business. As you all know, I'm the consistent top 1 earner ng company for how many months now. And today, I just want to share with you kung magkano ang kinikita ko dito sa Salveo World. Again guys, gusto ko lang inspire kayo today kasi sa dami ng problema na dinaranas natin ngayon, siguro you feel afraid, natatakot or nangangamba ka, baka mawalan ka ng trabaho or malulugi ang business mo ngayon. Maybe you feel hopeless. Hopeless in a sense na hindi mo na alam kung maa-achieve mo pa ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Guys, I'm here today telling you that Salveo World can solve your financial problem. I'm a living proof that Salveo World can give you extraordinary income kahit nasa pandemic tayo ngayon. And I'm sure that you can earn big in this business too. Okay? And by the way guys, isa sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, I'm Coach Ed and isa pala akong freelance web developer and isang business owner. Isa ko sa libo-libong business owners dito sa Davao City na nag-close dahil sa COVID-19. And I just want to thank Salveo World for this super amazing business opportunity. Dahil kahit nasa pandemic tayo ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kitaan dahil ang Salveo World guys is 100% online and legit. Since 100% online ang Salveo World, kahit naka-quarantine tayo ngayon, you can do this business right at the comfort of your home. And we've been in the e-commerce business since 2013. Kaya I assure you guys na hindi ka mahihiya i-promote ang thousands of world-class products ng company. Alright? So, are you excited to check my earnings dito sa Salveo World? If yes, tara, punta tayo sa desktop ko.
Alright, so dito na tayo sa Salveo World na website. So, in order for us na makita yung income ko dito sa Salveo World is we will log in sa Salveo World na website. Alright, click lang natin itong login button dito sa taas. Then, click yung login. After natin ilagay yung username and password. So, as you can see, I'm one of the millionaire circle ng Salveo World and I'm the top 1 earner. Consistent ako guys na top 1 earner of the month dito sa Salveo World. So, that's why I want to show you kung magkano yung kinikita ng isang top 1 earner dito sa Salveo World. Alright, so for us to check, click lang natin tong dashboard. Ayan. So, eto na yung kinita ko. So, that's 2,024,785. So, that is as of now. Today is August 14, 2020. Alright, so eto yung kinita ko guys ngayon. And just want to share with you yung kinita ko last 2 months ago, which is June 14, 2020. That is 1,02,222. So meaning to say, kumita ako ng 1 million pesos in just 2 months. Alright, so actually I'm very amazed with this this business kasi imagine guys, in just 2 months I was able to hit yung income na 1 million. Alright? So, now ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung mga encashments ko for us to check my encashment. Meaning to say, kung meron ba talaga akong nakukuha na pera dito sa Salveo World and the company itself is sending me yung commissions ko dito sa business natin. Click natin itong e-cash. Alright? Then, we will go dito sa withdrawal or transfer. Alright? So, click natin itong withdrawal and transfer. So, as you can see here, meron akong available, ito for withdrawal to siya, 115,000. Okay? So, ito na yung mga encashments ko. So, last August 4, nag-encash ako ng 104,000. Last July 28, nag-encash ako ng 105,000. So, by the way guys, I just want to share with you na meron tayong tax dito sa business natin since we are legit business. We've been operating, yung company natin has been operating for 7 years already. Nag-start ang company last 2013. Alright? So, meron tayong tax na binabayaran. That's why yung net amount natin is na nakuha ko dito sa 104 is nasa 93,000. Alright? So, now I will show you yung mga checks naman na na-receive ko from the company. Alright? So, in our group, I created yung album. So, if you want to check this check, just go to our community group, itong Technowell community. Then you can check yung mga check na binigay ng company sa akin. So as you can see here, last July 10, nagbigay ang company sa akin ng 130,000. Alright? Then July 17, 127,000. July 24, 111,000. July 31, 94,000. Then August 7, 93,000. So guys, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. I've been earning ng 6-digit weekly income. Then as you can see dito, meron na naman ako 115,000 na available na e-cash.
So ayan guys, nakita nyo na ngayon kung magkano ang kinikita ko dito sa Salveo World, and I hope na-inspire ko kayo and able to give you hope na posible pala talagang kumita ng malaki kahit nasa pandemic tayo ngayon. I'm here telling you again na kayang-kaya mong gawin ang business na ito. By the way guys, hindi lang ako ang kumikita dito sa Salveo World. Actually, madami po kami. Alright? And if you want to start this business, contact mo lang kung sino ang taong nag-share ng video na ito. Alright? So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.